Apartment was impeccable. Host left a welcome note, which was a hint of the attention to detail she had. Felt really like home, probably one of the best apartments we /have stayed at. Clean, cozy, well distributed. Definitely recommended, and will stay again when
The
visiting
stay in
London.
this lovely flat was overshadowed by the bad experience I had dealing with the host. Poor communication meant I had to ring booking.com 3 times for clarification and to expedite the return of my deposit.
Such a cut apartment in Chelsea. Modern decoration, comfortable and with all facilities, fridge, espresso, oven, heating, many shops, lush, tiger, MS, and restaurants, burger, pizzeria. Close to the apartment, and the owner was very helpful.
Nothing I can think of. I loved it from start to finish, to be honest. Will be back to this apartment next time I /am in London for sure.
The flat was so comfortable, tastefully decorated and fitted out, with particularly comfy beds. Although I did not meet the host in person, we had friendly exchanges by email and she seemed very keen to make sure we had everything we needed.
Can't think of anything.